The creator himself is not the absolute, it's not the divine essence. You understand? But it is a part of that divine essence.
Andromeda Galaxy.
Yes.
That exists.
It does exist.
I think I have 1,000,000 questions to ask.
There are limitless intelligences, vast galaxies that we've not comprehended yet. Time, space, and matter all exist at the same time. But that sublime intelligence is beyond time, is beyond space, is beyond matter.